Welcome back to Amica Studio, your destination for architecture, home design ideas, and interior design inspiration.
Harmonizing Nature and Kitchen in an Indoor Courtyard, Inspirations for a Green Oasis. Imagine a kitchen that is not just a space for cooking, but a serene sanctuary where you can connect with nature while preparing meals. This is the vision of the Harmonizing Nature and Kitchen in an Indoor Courtyard design concept, which seamlessly integrates lush greenery, natural light, and sustainable elements into the heart of your home. In the realm of contemporary architecture and interior design, the harmonious integration of nature within living spaces has emerged as an inspired trend, transforming homes into sanctuaries that seamlessly blend the outdoors with the indoors. Among these innovative concepts, the fusion of kitchen spaces with indoor courtyards stands out as a testament to the beauty of coalescing functional spaces with the serenity of nature.
Nature's Embrace, a culinary haven.
The convergence of nature and the culinary arts in the heart of a home, traditionally separate entities, is a bold and ingenious approach. By incorporating an indoor courtyard into the design, architects and designers are redefining conventional kitchen layouts, creating inviting spaces that celebrate the elements of earth, air, light, and greenery. Indoor courtyards blur the lines between indoors and outdoors, bringing the beauty and tranquility of nature into your kitchen. This can significantly improve your mood, reduce stress, and boost your overall well-being.
Sunlit Ambience, illuminating the culinary experience.
An indoor courtyard nestled within the kitchen space serves as an oasis, infusing the area with an abundance of natural light and ventilation. The play of sunlight filtering through the foliage softens the ambience, creating a soothing atmosphere for culinary endeavors. Moreover, the lush greenery fosters a connection to nature, offering a tranquil retreat amid the bustling activities of meal preparation. Seamless integration, architectural transparency. Architectural elements play a pivotal role in the success of this design concept. Large, strategically placed windows or glass walls enclose the courtyard, effectively merging the boundaries between inside and outside. This architectural transparency not only amplifies the sense of spaciousness but also visually extends the kitchen area into the natural realm, forging a seamless transition between the two. Greenery as essence, nurturing the indoor courtyard. The lush greenery and natural materials used in indoor courtyards create a visually stunning and calming environment. This can elevate the design of your home and make it a more inviting and enjoyable space to spend time in. The choice of vegetation for the indoor courtyard is crucial in shaping its character. A selection of vibrant, low-maintenance plants and cascading vines not only adds aesthetic allure but also purifies the air, contributing to a healthier indoor environment. Additionally, the introduction of a small water feature, like a tranquil fountain or a miniature pond, can elevate the sensory experience, imparting a sense of calmness through the gentle sound of flowing water. Functionality aligned with nature, sustainable kitchen spaces. The functionality of the kitchen within this design scheme remains paramount. The layout and placement of cooking appliances, storage solutions, and dining areas are meticulously crafted to harmonize with the natural elements. Countertops made from sustainable materials, such as bamboo or reclaimed wood, further reinforce the eco-friendly essence of the space. Balancing beauty and maintenance, ensuring longevity. Practical considerations, such as proper drainage and maintenance of the indoor vegetation, are essential to ensure the longevity and vitality of this innovative design. A well-designed irrigation system and thoughtful selection of plants that thrive indoors ensure the courtyard remains a flourishing centerpiece of the kitchen. A culinary haven in nature's embrace. The allure of an indoor courtyard within a kitchen space extends beyond its aesthetic appeal. It embodies a lifestyle that celebrates sustainability, reconnects with nature, and nurtures a sense of tranquility in the heart of the home. This blending of the culinary arts with the natural world represents a bold yet harmonious union, a testament to the ever-evolving synergy between modern design and the timeless beauty of nature.